Hi, and welcome to another episode of Installer's Corner. I'm Barry Day, Senior Product Specialist here at Organized Living. Today we're introducing the new soft close door hinges that are available standard on all Classica and Freedom Rail product lines. We're going to show you install procedure. It's really easy, and we think you're going to like its smooth, quiet operation. For today's demonstration, we'll be installing hinges on both a Freedom Rail O-Box and a Classica cabinet door. For Classica doors, align the Euro screws in a hinge plate with the second and third holes down from the top of the shelf, and second and third holes from the bottom. In Freedom Rail, align the Euro screws with the top and bottom hinge holes in the side panel. Then, using a number 2 driver, tighten the Euro screws. Disassemble the hinge by pressing the rear button and remove the cup from the hinge plate. Remove the wood screws from the package and insert them through the cup plate holes in the door. Tighten with the number 2 driver and be careful not to over-tighten. Open the hinge completely so that the arm is fully extended. Then align the arm with the hinge plate and rotate the end of the arm until there is a locking click. This will need to be done for both top and bottom hinge. If the doors need adjustment, use the 3 adjustment screws to move the door up and down, side to side, and front and back until the doors are aligned properly. Thanks for watching. We hope you're as excited as we are about our new soft close door hinges for all Freedom Rail and Classica. As always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to call me or your dealer support person.